I really enjoyed this course because I got a lot out of it. In fact, this is my first course with SmileFy and I have never used the software before. So I was a little bit apprehensive as to whether I would need to have experience in order to learn how to use the software. However, when I came here, I found that it was quite easy to learn. And also the trainers were very patient with me and they took me through the steps so that I feel that I have a good mastery of it. Another thing that I got from the course as well is that I actually learned 2 different techniques of placing composite veneers. I have done composite veneers at my office before and I thought I knew everything about composite veneers, but I learned quite a lot. So I'm very, very grateful to SmileFy for this course. So if you're still on the fence thinking about whether you should take this course, I would definitely endorse it because there is a lot to learn both on the software side and also on the hands-on component of the course. And I would say that they spent a lot of time making sure that you are comfortable with the new techniques. So yes, go for it guys. It's a very good course.